What a CEO in China said about the book Clothed but Naked. As a mentor to the youths here in China, I have never come across a book like this. Clothed but Naked is a must-read for every parent, clergy, mentor and anybody that desires sanity in our society. It is pathetic that clothes that leave nothing to the imagination or clothes that expose the private part have become the order of the day. Insanity is taking over our society in terms of indecent dressing. Our young ladies glorify nakedness in the name of fashion. And our culture on decent dressing is eroding or fading away right before us. Everybody shows lackadaisical attitude to this menace of indecent dressing that is causing some of the fundamental problems we experience, such as rape, incest, masturbation and other immoral vices. The devil-may-care attitude or nonchalance shown by most parents when their children are half naked is worrisome. Thanks to Mr. Fortunatus aka Professor Holy Rock, who had spent his time to dissect this issue of indecent dressing in the light of God's Word. This book, Clothed but Naked, is a rare gem. The book contains a lot of insights that we often overlook that can transform our society. The author dwells extensively on the problems posed by provocative dressings and how we can avoid these. I want to implore every parent, mentor, youth, clergy and stakeholder to read this book thoroughly and inculcate the moral lessons in this book. This is an indispensable book for this generation and the generations to come. Lambo Adiola, CEO, Trailblazers Cyrus. Northeast Agricultural University, Heilongjiang Province, Harbin, China.